all these events putting all this time in. I don't know. I'm gonna get some Verizon soon, y'all. I'm gonna shut down one of these AT&T lines, get me a Verizon account. It's going down. And I'm the only one fully dressed out here in my lookout suit. Damn, there's people all the way down here. People all the way down there. Right lane, 20 on the John Deere. Shit. That's what I was trying to explain. Oh boy, Yellow Belly ain't got no tractor like that. They ain't got no tire dragger. None of that. None of that.
If you gonna get no Lookout Racing. That guy right there. Lookout Racing.
It's me? Oh, it's me?
He got the baddest.
Talking about me.
He got the baddest drone.
Yeah. And I be flying this. Let's say I know how to fly that thing, man.
You know how to fly the drone.
I got a new sales slogan too, man. You buy, I fly. I put it right up in the air. Okay. You buy, I fly. That's all. You don't gotta worry about nothing. Now after you buy, that's it.
You'll do the work.
I'm doing all the flying. They gonna be, whoa, I ain't never seen this view. Oh, you done did it. Yeah, go. I'm be all that. All that what they looking for. You buy, I fly. That's it.
Lookout Racing, man.
Look out.
Man with a drone out here, man.
I'm waiting.
Baddest man with a drone. Ain't no lie. Y'all see New York City right
now. Yeah, New York still in the building, y'all. He about to be on 22 platforms within the next month.
L Boogie.
Or is it 2 months?
You already know how it goes.
Yeah, 2 months.
Hey,
2 months.
Hey, we all doing
Gonna be on 22. We all on here. Everybody got these badass cameras and cords and sticks and lights and other phones and microphones. God, man, he got everything.
Cameras everywhere.
Look at that GoPro. Damn, he got 4 cameras.
Got 6.
6?
Other one's in the bag.
Oh man.
And my cameraman up there.
Oh, you got a cameraman? Oh, him right there? Already. Man, he got some new shit too. Look like he got something difficult up there. Alright, let me see what he got. Look out, man. Let me see your camera set up. Let me see what all you got.
I brought the light package.
Let me see the light package, man. What the light package consists of.
They got the little Sony
Look.
A7 II.
Yeah, A7
We got the monitor.
Yeah.
Free World 4K monitor.
Yeah.
And we just got the light, the regular little light.
Yeah. Okay. It look player.
Then we got the gimbal in the bag.
Oh, you got
the. Breaking it out.
Okay.
I hate calibrated.
Gimbal unneeded tonight.
Yeah, it's like that. I hate
Okay.
calibrated.
Okay.
What else I got?
Do that camera go live? Can that camera, do it got live features? Can it? Oh, it got HDMI on it, don't it?
Yeah, it got all that.
It got all that.
This one, it ran about right at 12.
1200. That's with the lens or no lens?
With the lens.
With the lens. How far that lens go? What's the zoom? 70. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
I got another one.
Yeah.
300 meters.
Oh. Is that when the meters? That's what it's talking about. 300 times.
That's that zoom.
Damn.
You can zoom from here and see the pimple on somebody's face in that mirror.
140.
Yeah.
Especially like if it's clear outside.
So that's what every time you see 70 times, they talking about the meter, 100 times, 200
So like
times.
this 28, it start off at 28.
Yeah.
So 28 like right there.
Yeah.
The more you zoom,
Yeah.
it can stop at 70. If I had
Okay.
300, I can zoom all the way through him. I
Yeah.
can go all the way through him.
Okay. Man, I'm gonna have to upgrade, man. They've been trying to tell me. He just told me a camera was ZV-10.
Yeah, you say you want something small. So
Yeah, I need something small with a zoom on it. I ain't finna be. I don't know what drone makes race videos look like an action movie shoot. You got them whooped. Shit. They be saying they like it. I ain't expecting the ones, you know, them people was fans. They not throwing no event, but I be hoping that people saying that, I be hoping that type of comment and stuff can reach the promoter. But I guess, hell, promoters don't never feel like they want to Shit, I'm trying to make money. I ain't trying to spend it. He ain't doing shit for me. That's probably how they look at a drone pilot. Shit, I done promoted it out there myself. I got you. I understand. Well, look out, y'all. I don't know, man. I'm about ready to go in and catch something later here. Whatever, they take too long to race. Already ain't that many cars here. I need to come on with it. I guess I'm gonna stay here for this.
Come on, man. $100.
Oh, they need some juice. Damn. The nitrous place closed over here. I don't even know if they sell nitrous. Guess we finna go up here and wait on Dunkmaster and them to run. Where y'all at, man? What a comment said. Ain't nobody talking today, y'all. Ain't nobody talking today. Let me see. Yeah, ain't nobody talking. Pablo walk him down. Ain't said a word since he got in here. Walk him down. You want to hear something that will lift your spirits? Everyone's sleeping. Damn. Man, I done came way out here to Memphis, Tennessee, y'all. This is my first time in Memphis. Any of y'all ever been to Memphis, Tennessee? As soon as I got here, I started hearing somebody playing 8-ball and MJG. Oh, okay. Uh-oh, hey, miss. I seen her flying a drone earlier. I was a little amazed. She landed and everything. I was like, okay. Okay. She know what she doing. She know what she doing a little bit.